Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock the CBRS-3 in Call of Duty Warzone. So let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to unlock the weapon, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So pretty much what you have to do is make your way over to weapons. From weapons, go over to a custom loadout, and then from a custom loadout, go over to the SMGs. From here, you will see that the CBRS-3 is in the seasonal and it is new. And in order to pretty much unlock it, you will need to unlock it in the Black Ops 7 Season 04 Battle Pass. Now, I do believe you don't need to buy the Battle Pass for this. It might be one of the free ones. So we could just go ahead and see. Let's see. I believe it could be one of the weapons that is free that you unlock. Let's see. Yeah, no, this is something else. Okay, yeah, right here, CBRS-3. It's towards the end, but it is free, so that's good. So yeah, you just need to pretty much level up the battle pass, and you will be able to unlock it. And in order to unlock it, I recommend just going ahead and just using the tokens if you have any. If you have a lot of available tokens, just go ahead and use them. But that should be pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.